got my first small job of the year. It's just for a neighbor. And we got a very snowy day. So I'm just driving the chip truck down. It's only a $400 job. I'm sure most companies would charge more, but she's my neighbor, friend, and all that. So could bring the spider lift, but just too snowy. So bringing the climbing gear, and yeah, we're gonna go get this done. She just needs clearance on a tree for a new hydro line to go down, because she's getting a hot tub installed. She just had a baby, and so she wants that hot tub installed right away because she's in a lot of pain. So I'm gonna go get this tree done for you, Rhonda. Hey, what's up? I think the chipper's there is probably okay, but
hey, hold on, I'm talking to him.
The chipper there is probably okay.
Yeah.
You can just get all the brush there. I don't have much fuel in the chipper, so we'll
Josh,
stack
she was
it.
thinking, she was telling you, I told her if we ended up dropping it and not taking it, well, so what? I'd pull it to the backyard and fucking burn it.
We'll get as much chipped up as we can, then you'll fuel with it. So, yeah, if you guys just drag it there, I'll start the chipper at the end because there's barely any fuel in that.
Yeah.
So I'll have enough just to throw it through.
Okay, I'll stay.
And
I
then,
was gonna head out,
yeah.
but if you're here, I'm gonna stay.
Yeah? Oh, you
Yeah.
have somewhere to go?
No, I was just gonna go grab some stuff in the grocery store. I could do it after.
Well, whatever. If you have to go, you go.
No. If you need
good?
me,
Okay.
I'll stay. It's not a big deal. I can stay.
All right, I'm gonna start going up in the tree now then.
All right, brother.
Hopefully the drum's not frozen. Wonder if I should check that first. Probably. We're good. Ooey gooey. I want to get done soon though. Not really, because we can drag right to there.
Perfect.
I can even pull the truck forward because I really just want to start the chip truck once because I don't have much fuel. So
Want to drag it out then and make a pile and then?
yeah, if we can get everything stacked here nice, the butt ends facing the chipper.
There's not as much shit coming down, so it won't be near as bad as fucking last time.
No, it's way less than last time. Last time was a lot.
And James said the bigger stuff, if you want to just fucking snap it into reasonable size pieces, he'll just fucking carry it to the backyard and burn it.
Okay.
So
yeah,
there's even less
that.
that's got to go through the chipper then.
Yeah, because there's like probably like 8-9 pieces of like decent firewood.
Yeah. If you could take that one fucking branch down to that white tree too, that'd be awesome.
Which one's the white tree?
This fucking side.
Oh yeah, we'll just cut that one right from the ground. Man, I sure know how to pick the days, eh?
I'm like this fucking guy who was fucking ice fishing every fucking day that it was nice. Well, it was too cold for the first few days last week. Was the ice fishing any good when it was that cold?
It was actually better when it was cold. Yesterday Christy and I went out, we got nothing, but the ice was so, like, there were so many people out there.
Yeah.
With just non-stop machines going by. So it doesn't help.
You look fucking great.
Power Ranger.
Oh god.
Yeah.
Zing it. Like, just
Okay.
one trip up, like, fucking whatever we leave on the ground, we leave on the ground.
Yep.
I thought she was gonna be pissed about leaving chip piles on the ground, but she doesn't seem to care, so.
Oh, whatever.
I messaged you, I'm like, oh, we don't
I
even
brought
have
the
to.
chip truck anyways. I wasn't sure if it was gonna start. It started up no problem.
Yeah.
Chipper started up no problem. So we'll be good.
Yeah. Be awesome. Even like this little shit, like see this fucking tree? If you take like bottom fucking 3, like just clean them so they look nice.
Yeah, once I get out of this one, if there's stuff, whatever I can reach from the ground, just let me know and we'll cut it off.
Sweet, man.
And yeah, I'm gonna tackle.
That's gonna be the hard one because it's near the fucking power line. This fucking thing. I guess you got to do the like bottom ones first, and.
Yeah, it'll be okay.
All right. Yeah. I'm assuming you've done this before, so.
Yeah, so I'm pretty much like, boom, 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 all that, the big
low
thing
shit
coming
and then,
right out, and then whatever's that bigger or like medium-sized ones coming out above it.
Yeah.
And
No,
then-
I just, you don't have to tell me.
And then I'm thinking we shoot pretty clear. But yeah, if you see anything that looks like it's close to the line,
Yeah.
while I'm up there, because like
Yeah.
things change when you get up in the tree, right?
Or what you can see from.
Yeah.
But once you drop the lower ones, I'll be able to see up there better anyhow. So.
Yeah. Hopefully the saw starts. Come on, baby. This guy off right now. Get in from this side. Holy, this saw is dangerous right now. I'm gonna have to shut this saw off after every cut.
Why?
I'm guessing the clutch springs are screwed on it. The blade's spinning. I didn't notice it was like fucking hacking away at my boot.
What's that? Are you okay?
Oh yeah, my boot's a little roughed up. That's it. Anything that if I cut things that are too big to drag, I can cut it. I'll cut it again when I get on the ground.
Okay. Holy fucking snow, eh?
Oh, I know.
Pretty fucking serious.
You guys get 2 new sleds yesterday or the other day?
No, those are the same sleds.
Same sleds, okay.
I just got them
Oh, they're the shoppers?
serviced,
Oh, nice.
so that everything's all ready to go now.
Perfect.
I just gotta tune, you know, make sure everything's running nice.
Well, you got some snow.
I was already out on it, on both of them already.
On Skoogog?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
They're both running nice too.
That's good.
Anything you put over here?
Yeah.
Has to be with the stump edge and the branches.
Yeah, just, yeah, the stump.
I got the branches facing back that way, so that they don't get caught going into the machine.
No, I know.
I just didn't know if this was not before.
No, you told me this before.
Yeah, you got her.
Try to stay on one side of the road.
We're on the way still out of season on you, eh?
What's that?
I said it figures we're on the way still out of season on you, eh?
That's all right. Do you want this branch cut?
Yeah, that's a good one.
Make sure you cut that one good.
Okay. That one might hurt.
Just a wee bit. Hey, Rhonda, get out of there.
I'm just trying to get a picture before. So that they can see that we get a bunch of shit. They show up and they think that someone's been after us.
Well, you can tell. Look at the fucking branches. Yeah, but what I'm saying is if you look at the tree, you can see the cut. He's going to have a shitload cut right now. Should have done this in the fucking
James, if you
spring.
take this one, I'll get the little guys.
Okay, you should let me pull that, miss.
Don't you? I was just clearing my way to the little tree.
How's the little baby doing?
The baby is so good.
Did you guys go on the ice yesterday?
No, we didn't end up. We just went in the backyard for a fire.
Oh, right on.
Not a fire, but
Oh, that's all right.
just a little.
Okay, leave this here.
We're getting there.
Slowly but surely.
Yep. Need a little bit of exercise anyways, right?
Okay, back away, back away. I don't really even need you for this. I can do this myself.
We shouldn't have to keep turning this off, but it's dangerous to...
Yeah, because your by the electrical, right?
Well, and the saw just keeps spinning on me.
So it's better not, right?
Yeah, the chain brake's not working or nothing, so pain in my butt. That's all right. Take my time.
Fuck, they only called for 3 centimeters today.
That's all they were calling for?
Yeah, it's more than fucking 3 centimeters.
Oh yeah. James, stuff this size you want for wood? If I cut it into firewood size?
Yeah, if you cut it in, I'll burn a lot of this.
Okay.
That's why she's like, you're bringing the chipper. I was like, well, it doesn't even really matter. We can fucking burn half of it.
Yeah, we'll chip all mostly, and then you'll just have a little bit of firewood.
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
Easier for you.
This is the good stuff to chip with.
Just kill it.
Take the whole trio.
Best way to prune these trees is right from the bottom.
I told my mom that I was taking this one off, and she's like, well, that's one of my Halloween branches. I guess Halloween's gonna start getting smaller and smaller.
Oh, that's her Halloween branch.
Well, she did. We didn't have a wagon. What we could do is attach the wagon to the back of the sled, and we throw all those sticks into the sled, and I just pull the sled.
I was just thinking, back fucking same
I just pull the sled right to the back.
I'll pick one up.
Or someone's got a toboggan we can borrow. How much? Yeah, that's perfect. What's that? Yours is cracked. We're just gonna use it for wood. Makes me want to have a fire tonight.
Yeah. We need some gas for that kind of fire, though.
Well, I'm gonna get gas. I need gas for the sleds. I'm still gonna go get a bite to eat, dude. You ever rode a sled before, Brandon?
I rode Danny's actually last year.
Did you?
Yeah, on the ice, he let me borrow it. I rode one when I was really young before. They're pretty fast.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got mine.
I was asking because I was gonna say you want to go out with me sometime. I got an extra sled.
Yeah, possibly, for sure. Where do you go?
I got yours.
Fuck you, I was gonna offer it to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
We've
By the
offered it
way,
to you.
he's got a $10,000 sled that he's just gonna let you borrow.
Perfect. Yeah.
Would you and Christina like to go up to a fucking like a lake where we could sled from, and like with a hot tub and a fucking hotel, like at the end of February or March, and you can ride.
If it was in
past
March,
the
for
thing,
sure.
And then her and I can ice fish with the baby and the kid.
Yeah. Yeah, talk to Christina. I'm sure she'd be down.
Well, remember I said last year we were supposed to go go with fucking me and you and fucking Danny and fucking him, but
Yeah.
we'll just go with you guys.
Yeah, I'd be down. And I think Christina would probably be down too. She wants to do something like that.
Yeah.
Yesterday was our first day away from, well, we had, Theo went to her sister's for the night, slept over.
Yeah.
And then we went ice fishing in the morning, and then we went and picked him up after.
Yeah, it's nice to do fucking something different and get out of the house and not just fucking...
Yeah, we were missing Theo, but at the same time, it's like, oh, it's pretty nice.
No, a little break for you guys. You need it once in a while, man.
Yeah. Yeah, it's constant. He's at the age where it's like constant attention he needs, right?
Yeah.
It's like, fuck. Oh, well.
Yeah, because that tree's just gonna grow up and it's gonna be right the same thing.
Nothing will grow anytime soon.
That's just putting your fucking tree in the front line and then having your own tree fucked it up in the future.
Some of those little ones should come off too up there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Which ones?
These little gaffers that are hanging over the line.
Oh yeah, yeah, I see it.
Just because they're gonna get bigger and closer.
Yeah.
I think that whole fucking branch going to the back should come down.
Which one?
This,
Right here?
this one that's fucking just going up that way.
That whole big one?
This part.
Oh, that guy.
Yeah. That'll take rid of almost all those.
Yeah, I was thinking that too. And then some of the lower ones on the other side, just so it doesn't look stupid.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I mean, on that side?
100%.
Okay.
Yeah, like zing one, zing one.
Yeah.
They're all the shit that you run into with the fucking lawn tractor anyhow.
Yeah.
How did you even get that thing? Did you throw a stick up through there?
No, I climbed up there first.
Did you?
Yeah.
Fucking crazy. Oh yeah, I see what he's saying there.
We should call him Spidey.
Yeah, so some of these little gaffers I think should come off.
Those are really fucking sharp little saws.
Oh yeah.
I fucking have one of those where I cut down whole apple fucking trees with them.
I've hurt myself pretty good with one of these before.
Oh, I fucking bet they're sharp as fuck.
Oh yeah. You think they're harmless,
Yeah, right?
but they're vicious.
Well, that one's fucking dead anyway.
Yep. Oh.
I'm gonna make a really nice post on Facebook with a few of these photos.
Yeah?
Yeah, and then I'm gonna put thanks to Brandon for saving the day so my hot tub can come in.
Appreciate it. Any kind of help for me to get work this year.
Right?
I'd love it.
Probably get more this year with the weather, maybe.
I hope so, man. Last year wasn't terrible, but I don't know. I need to make a lot of money this year, considering we're building a house.
How about rain nor sleet nor snow can stop the tree guy from making my hot tub dreams come true.
Even in a snowstorm.
Once we get our house built, we'll have to have a little party and have you guys over for dinner and stuff.
Fucking right, man.
It sucks because we well, you guys are in the same position as us, really, eh? Living in a small space.
Yeah.
So it's hard.
Well, now that I got the big barbecue deck, this year I'm
Yeah,
gonna
at least
go
your
out-
backyard's dialed.
It's fucking looking, it's getting primed. Once I get my outdoor kitchen, that'll be a game changer.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you guys are set up pretty good in the summer.
Yeah.
You guys got a pretty good spot.
Well, we'd be set up good in the winter if the fucking bar and the karaoke room didn't belong to the rabbits.
Your mom still got lots of rabbits?
Yeah.
Yeah?
He's got 2 of them.
Too.
Your mom's like my mom. Loves animals.
Oh, I thought you meant crazy.
Oh, crazy maybe too.
I want to fucking do armor stone fucking all around these garden beds out here and fill them with just fucking rock around everything so I don't have to pick fucking weeds anymore.
Yeah. I know, I'm not a good weed picker either.
Weeds. That's why I had a kid so she could pull weeds in a vegetable garden. She'll be close to the ground.
Yeah. Doesn't strain her back.
Either someone's mailbox got broken into or it's left open.
Unless that's Lorraine's house and she wanted to check her mail.
What's that?
He said somebody's mailbox got
Someone
broken
left their
into and they
mailbox
left the
open.
mailbox open.
Oh,
I said nobody broke into one mailbox. I said unless it's Lorraine's house and she needed to check the mail.
yeah. Does Mike still live there?
Yeah.
He hasn't sold it yet?
Damn.
It was up for sale, right?
Yeah.
Huh. That was a weird situation too.
Right? Dude, you know the fucking old chicks that he was fucking were dirty, disgusting pigs.
Really?
I seen the pictures fucking off of that she showed me. Like to the broad she was messaging. This chick was like 55 and had a wrinkly old disgusting back.
Ugh.
And he was paying her for sex.
And I thought he was a fairly good looking guy.
I did too, but he's really fucking gross.
Jesus. That is nasty.
Yeah.
I mean, I wasn't a big fan of Lorraine either, but
Yeah.
that's just me.
Yeah.
I know some people thought she was gorgeous.
Well, she she's definitely not a 55-year-old wrinkled hag.
Oh no. No, it was mainly her attitude that made me, I didn't like her that much. I don't know.
There's
She-
a lot of people like fucking,
Like,
the way Becky's super negative, like there's a lot of fucking shitty fucking, like, even Christina's pretty fucking hard on you. I was trying to tell James, I'm like, you never seen her when she's yelling at him when he just got home from work to take her turn with the baby.
yeah. Oh,
Like, and it's not like he's not a hands-on dad.
Those are army pants, eh?
They're fucking
they're
badass.
climbing pants.
I want a pair of those pants.
No, they got the Canada flag. Those are army pants.
But those are cut pants, like they're all cut resistant, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So there's a thing of chainsaw to that.
You need to have a little vape break.
Ew.
It's kind of a nice day though, really.
It's fucking beautiful.
It's not too cold.
Like, I don't know what the temperature is, like -3, -4?
It's -2. It's
Yeah.
I was like, fucking, I'm like, Brandon, I'm like, I bet he was up all night. I'm like, fuck.
No,
I need him to come.
you don't have to worry
Get my
about.
goddamn electrician here.
No, but she told me about the wood. She's like, oh, I told him to bring the wood chipper. He doesn't really want to. And then I'm thinking to myself, oh my God, we got to take the wood and we got to burn it. Oh no, poor me.
Yeah, we had a fucking domestic the other night because he fucking burnt my box spring. And all the cardboard I've been saving.
Yeah, she comes out, starts screaming at me, and I'm doing a fire.
I tried to get Christina and Theo wanted to come, but I said Christina, I said, bring Theo down, hang out with Rhonda and James while I cut the tree. And she's like, oh, look at the weather out there. She's like, you're climbing in this shit? I'm like,
It's
oh.
gorgeous out. It's actually a really
Yeah.
nice fucking day.
I know, I was looking out the window like,
Your son would have loved it.
what's that?
He would have been
I
out there
know.
playing in it.
He's came to one job site for me for like 5 minutes and he was loving it. He was like, you know, like.
And kids, especially
If he
boys,
didn't
usually
hate
want to
me
do
so
whatever
much, I'd go
dad's
get
doing. You're gonna get him. He's gonna end up wanting to be do what you do.
And
He's gonna
he-
see
I want
you
him
do
to.
it.
Needs him to do that because then that's the fucking turnkey fucking where you get old and then you do sales and your kid does the work.
Yeah. No, I can't wait for that. Should probably have one more son.
Brandon, smile. That's fucking awesome.
So this one,
Dead one, your hands
this
on
dead
it?
one, and then we'll clear up some of these low ones,
Yeah.
and then we'll get the ones from the ground. You're not sure about that one yet.
That one's coming off.
It is?
Her
Okay.
mom's saying leave it.
No, she didn't say leave it. She's fine. She just said she uses it for Halloween, but we can also put a fucking zip line from one tree to the next and hang
Yeah.
stuff off that.
Hang a whole bunch of shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, all we do is put a rope.
Yeah.
Put a rope. Yeah,
zip
we
line,
use
yeah.
that. Fun.
Yeah.
I'll come help you guys hang the rope. I don't care.
Like,
It'll look so much nicer. And then like just to clip the bottom few trees on here, like that tree's fucked too.
Yeah, these birch trees don't last too long, to be honest. They're probably getting close to their,
final days.
final days. They usually live like 30, 40 years max kind of thing.
I'll probably get you fucking in the fucking spring to come by and do some of these branches that are overhanging onto their property
Okay.
because they don't like them there and
Yeah.
they want to trim them back on their own side. But
Hey, the other thing that we can't
Don't want them hacking it away. What's that, buddy? This branch might come down before I even get out
I
there.
was just thinking that. Are you okay? Do you want me to pull that rope out for you?
No, it's okay.
You could just cut it from the bottom.
It's gonna hit your shed though, isn't it?
Oh, who cares?
At least if I cut a little further out,
Fair
it'd
enough. Yeah.
be lighter. Come on, branch.
The saw's hanging off his fucking leg.
You should get a picture of him right now. Is what you should get.
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully this one doesn't hit your shed too much.
Okay.
Go slow. All right.
Perfect. It's gonna look so much better, and it's gonna be less fucking leaves dumping shit on here.
Climbing out on these little branches are always a pain in the ass.
The small ones are harder than the big ones.
Yeah, that's when I cut my arm in the summer. I was on something. I was way up in the tree and I was on something like this.
That's what she said.
I should have used my handsaw and I used this and
Hey,
more here, Rhonda? Do you want this one off or?
They caught doing hydros work. Yeah. You nipped off a couple for me too, by the looks of it, did you?
Yeah.
Couple.
Awesome, thanks, man.
No problem.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
take
wanted
that-
to get
take that
the
one
low
right
one
there.
that's going off so that he doesn't hit his head with the lawn tractor. Yeah.
This one right here?
Can come off.
Okay.
Dan.
Watch out, Rhonda.
Yeah.
He's about to cut. You're going right where he's going to cut. Stop. You're going to cut. And she like walks right in. Like, don't worry.
How's she looking?
Looking a lot better.
Ooh-wee. Wait till Rhonda gives me the okay to come down.
Hey, Dan, you don't got like a basket I could pull behind the quad or the sled, do you?
I got a whole fucking trailer back there. An ATV trailer.
What, ATV trailer?
Yeah.
You care if I roll it on?
No, there's two of them. Yeah, there's two of them back there. Yeah.
How's it looking?
Looking pretty good, man.
Right to the back there's
I think that looks nice. Yeah.
Just gonna wait before you say it's good
No, I like that.
for me to come down.
Thanks, brother.
Pretty high up now.
I would say this one, but it's kind of fucking out of your way.
I can get it.
Yeah. Let's take all those small ones off of there and leave just the, you know what I mean?
This one should come off. It's
Yeah,
totally
let's
dead.
Take all that, the other 3 small ones.
Hey, he said we can use his ATV trailer. So we can pull this, put it all this loaded in the trailer, and just pull them. A couple of these ones?
All these ones next to the spring, James.
Yeah.
Look here. Running away.
We should be getting out of the way for it.
Yeah, well, I was trying to show you something here.
Why did you go back to right where he is?
He's watching. He's cutting all stuff on that side. We were fucking cutting out some crazy ass fucking trees. We
Yeah.
have to take a four-wheeler and make a four-wheeler to it and pull the that we wanted to get full.
Yeah.
So it didn't hit the houses or anything else.
Try to land this on your guys' bell box so you don't have any internet.
Perfect.
Really should come off. Any more?
Pardon?
More?
I think that's probably fine for now. Or
Pretty
if
good?
you want to hit these couple that are here sticking out.
These ones right here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fucking just less leaves to clean up and fucking. Beauty.
Woo! Woot woot.
Fucking tree. I'm gonna go cut some tree right
Hiya!
Do that in the fucking.
Spring. In the spring, we're gonna have to do a bunch more anyways.
much would you charge him to take that tree down? Not today, but that big one.
Buddies?
Huh?
Buddies tree? That's your neighbor's, right?
Yeah.
Everything gone, right?
Yeah.
$600.
Okay.
Make it $700 because it's gotta take all that wood.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, he'll probably take the wood for burning.
Looks pretty easy.
Yeah.
I could probably do that whole tree quicker than I just did this.
No shit.